So look what just came in the mail today. It's from MISHIMOTO. It's great. I reached out to them, if you guys remember how somehow I misplaced 2 of the screws that hold down the cover for the intake. And they were awesome, just replacing the screws. No questions asked, which is awesome of them. I know it's not a huge thing, but it's nice now I don't have to go buy some and try to match them or replace all 4 of them. So that was a great thing, guys. So I just wanted to let you know, if you guys are missing those, definitely reach out to MISHIMOTO. They'll get right back to you. Let me show you here what they sent. So they just went ahead and gave me all 4. I told them I was missing 2. So it's awesome. It's the same ones. So I'm going to go ahead and just replace all those with these. If you guys remember last time when I checked, didn't know how it happened. This one was gone. So that's just a flathead. And then I just put a screw in there, something with the right threads just to hold it. And I'm glad I reached out to them. So I mean, like I said, screws aren't expensive, but just trying to find the exact thread pattern without stripping it, which is nice. So they'll all match now. So awesome customer service. I want to show you something else I'm going to do too, that you guys might want to do. But like I said, I'm just going to go ahead and swap these out. Finished look. And I'll show you one little tip that I learned. Okay, so I went ahead and replaced them. But also what I did, if you notice there, I put different washers on all of them. I had these laying around, all brand new washers. Very cheap. And I'll show you the reason. So here's the one that comes with them. The little black ones. Now look at the size difference. Now let me put the black one on the screw and I'll show you. Okay, check that out. It's almost the same size as a screw, as the head of it. Okay, now compare it to this other one. Covers a lot better. I noticed with the black ones, if you really wrench it on there, it starts digging into the carbon fiber lid, just because it doesn't distribute the pressure evenly. So definitely pick yourself up some bigger washers. That's what I did. A lot better fit. Like I said, it'll distribute that pressure if you do crank them on there. The other way, like this way, I've noticed it really starts biting into the edge. You can't see it because I already put it back, but it has a little a groove that was starting to kind of dig into it. And I didn't even wrench them on that tight. I just snugged it too, of course. So something I wanted to share with you guys. See, so right there, a lot better. Now, if you wanted to color match it, go buy yourself some black ones. But I went with these just because the heads are already the silver. And I like the contrast there. Holds it really snug. Doesn't budge whatsoever. Like I said, very simple. I just wanted to share that with you guys. So just reach out to them. They have great customer service. They'll get back to you. Like I said, I don't know how I misplaced the 2. But I was amazed how fast they got back to me. And they said, no problem. And they shipped me out a new set of them. So that's what I like, when you buy a product and they stand behind it. So hope that helps you guys out. If you have any questions, leave them below. Appreciate all you guys' support. I really do. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. Again, I'll have another video coming up shortly. Until then, catch you guys on the next one.